I made a viral Roblox game with AI. Well, kind of, I saw this video by this YouTuber and I was like, it can't be hard to make games like Steal a Brain Rot. Who cares if I have never done this before? Boy, was I wrong. So, like I said, I saw this guy and I was like, this is light. It really can't be that hard. So, of course, after doing a lot of productive studying, very productive.
Yesterday. I'm gonna draw my.
I decided to do a original idea, Steal a Fruit, where you will spawn in with a plot and then go and collect fruits from a conveyor belt. And there will be different rarities and modifiers and all of the good things. By the way, I'm doing this all with the free version, so I am not using Claude Code, so anyone can copy me if you want. Anyways, while Claude is generating scripts, I am going to set up in Roblox Studio, which I have no idea how to do, since I have never done this before. All right, I just created a new experience or whatever it is called, so now I am going to go back to Claude and use my giant, huge brain to hopefully copy and paste whatever Claude wants me to do. So Claude wants me to manually create a base plot for the game, and obviously I'm not going to do that because I have no idea what I would do. So I am going to ask it to generate me a script to make a plot for me, so I don't have to do it myself because I am lazy. It has been like 5 minutes, so the script should be ready. So now I am going to do some copy and pasting, and hopefully this will work, or else I am cooked because I have no idea how to code.
I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud, playing League all day until the sun comes up. I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud, why would I get a job when I can live with my mom? I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud, I got nothing to do, so I go to Fuda. I'm a chud, I'm a chud.
All right, I just ran the script and it looks like it works, but there isn't any plot claiming, and it's ugly, but the goal right now is to get things working. I'm now going to ask Claude what the next step is because I have no idea what to do. Also, if you're still watching, you will be blessed by the penguins if you like and subscribe. Claude gave me a step-by-step guide that I will now follow because I have full trust in AI. I would never doubt my king, Papa Claude. Okay, I'm going to do a lot of copy and pasting. So future me cue the epic montage. All right, I just did like a lot of work. I thought this would be easy, but copying scripts generated by AI is a surprising amount of work for someone like me who rots in bed all day drooling to Roblox. Anyways, I added a plot claiming and fruits that will generate you coins, but they only spawn in the base because I haven't made a conveyor belt yet. Also, I have no idea if the steal button works because I have no friends, and so it is impossible to test the feature. Now, I am going to ask Claude to generate me the conveyor belt script so that it is more like a steal a brain rot, more interactive. Okay, I got Claude to generate scripts for the conveyor belt, so this time let's not do a montage because we already have had a few, I think. So I gave up on making a conveyor belt, so now I have a field where the fruits will spawn for people to collect, but now nothing else is working. So I am going to ask Claude what I should do to fix this. I just asked Claude way too many questions, and the solution to my problems is I am going to replace the plot generator script with a new and improved script, and hopefully this should work. It is working now, but the fruits are still spawning on the plots instead of the field. So I'm going to try my best to fix this by asking Claude very specific questions. Okay, so I just made like a lot of changes and now the fruits won't spawn in your plot and instead they will spawn in the field. Right now it is super weird, but when I walk over a fruit, it should hopefully go to my base and start generating me money. That didn't work, so of course I am going to go back to my handyman Claude and let him cook up a script to fix my life problems. Okay, now if I walk over the fruits, they should float over my head and I can bring them all the way back to the base. I am like Jesus right now. So it kind of works, but for some reason it still floats above your head, even when they're at the base. Anyways, I think I did a lot in this video and I now have a base. Please let me know in the comments on how I can improve this game and if I should make a part 2 of this video. Bye, and thanks for watching.